This has been an excellent day. It's a very interesting conference, listening to all the different initiatives and collaborations that are ongoing in the healthcare sector.
It's our first time here. We found it very engaging. There's a real feel-good factor to it, and we would be speaking to people that we ordinarily wouldn't meet from day to day. So we like trying different things, and this is definitely different for us.
You know, last year was an excellent first outing, and today I really built on that, and I feel there was as I called it, the coalition of the willing in the room. So really, really great opportunity to meet people to collaborate with as well.
When you look at the kind of climate agenda and where we are and the impact of healthcare on people's health and the planetary health, then events like this and collaborating, meeting similar people is essential to move the movement forward. It's something, that has to happen.
What we are doing with these homeowners is that we're going to avoid them coming into many of your facilities in the very first place. So we're, in a sense, in a circular argument, instead of the linear, we're stopping people even getting sick if we can.
I absolutely loved it. I think when you're brought together in a space to speak about such an important topic like sustainability in healthcare, you start to see where everyone's commitment is really coming into the fore in terms of implementation. A lot of times people think it's too overwhelming, or they don't necessarily want to hear the hard story, or else thinking that nobody's doing anything about it or it's too hard. But you hear the passion in the room, the science, the honesty, the commitment to actually make changes. It was very inspiring. I absolutely loved it.
For me, a lot of climate change talks can be quite, depressing, but this is actually really important to show that the art of the possible, and I suppose that when we all work together in the system, that actually proper manifest change can happen.
I think it starts shining a spotlight on the issues. It also helps us to network with the other people who are involved, and I definitely think a team approach is needed. Like, we do need the support of all the other aspects that are involved in healthcare to make a difference.
Today, just hopefully we'll take away a lot more contacts and meet people who are like-minded in the business, and just a good networking show and get to know the other people who are on the same kind of journey as us.
Really enjoyed hearing Alex from the NHS supply chain. She's the head of supply chain in NHS. Chris from Philips, really, really impactful, particularly in circular economy, and the idea that they have everything on open source. So it is that piece around collaboration. So it's not a compete piece, it's actually let's all inform each other. So the idea that we can actually access his information and the information from Philips Healthcare, really good.
I've loved the event, to be honest. Dave and Robbie have spoke to them for a number of months now, always really positive. And it's great to see somebody like InvestNet really pushing this agenda forward and seeing how crucial it is to help healthcare move forward.